What's up guys, so today I'm going to do the installation of this spoiler right here. So it comes in 3 pieces, so these are the other 2 pieces. I did cut them, measure them first to the chunk, so I have to cut them to make it fit a line right here. So on the bottom we can see we have those M tapes which can stick up properly. So first you have to measure it up first to make it blend in with the chunk, and once you get the right and proper way you can just line them up. So but here I have the other pieces. I have installed these 2, and that's how them looking really neat. See that edge right here comes out, so just in the middle. I'm gonna install this one next, let you guys see. So as you can see, I adjust it to the size. So you have the middle trim right here, we have the outer trim right here, as you can see, and we have the one to the side right here. So we basically put them together. As you can see, this little part, we can just slide it under these 2 parts right here, and that's how it fits, and looking really neat, as you guys can see right there.